Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to build muscle, lose fat and boost your fitness, you might have heard about peptide called Sermorelin. Today we are breaking down the basics, how much you should take and when to take in and why it works. Let's get into it. First off, what is Sermorelin? Simply put, Sermorelin is the peptide that helps body produce more growth hormone naturally. And why does that matter? Because the growth hormone is key for building muscle, burning fat, and recovering faster from workouts. Alright, let's talk dosage. If your goal is to gain muscle and drop some fat, most people find sweet spot between 300 to 400 micrograms per day. Inject it just before bed because that's when your body naturally releases growth hormone, and Sermorelin can give it an extra push. Wondering how long it takes to see the results? Most people start noticing changes after 8 to 12 weeks. That's when you'll see more muscle definition, better workout, and fat starting to melt away. Stick to it for at least 3 to 6 months to get the full benefit, and make sure you combine with the diet and proper exercises, weightlifting. Now, how do you actually take Sermorelin? It's a quick shot under the skin, usually in the stomach area. Rotate your injection spot to avoid irritation and you are good to go. It's easy, and once you get a hang of it, it will be part of your daily routine. A few quick tips before you start. Always begin with the lower dose to see how your body reacts, and then gradually increase if needed. And don't forget to talk to your healthcare provider to make sure Sermorelin is the right choice for you, and also if you're a candidate for it. So that's the rundown on Sermorelin dosage for muscle mass and weight loss. If you're serious about hitting your fitness goal, Sermorelin could be the game changer. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who might benefit from this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.